guys, good morning and welcome back to another exciting episode of Marketing in the Zone. So guys, I do know we did miss a lot of episodes and we did miss a lot of but we are not going to be catching up on anything, guys. What we are going to do is instead we are going to stay focused with what marketing is all about. Okay, so guys, a lot of you guys have been asking me a lot of questions on various mediums, and just to kind of summarize with the kind of aspects or the kind of points that we have already covered. So guys, we did cover a lot or to do with different parts of marketing and different kind of you can say the different strategies which can be really used in to get the latest in marketing. Okay, so but there are a few fundamental points, guys, which I felt that we have a need to cover. Okay, so guys, like what is SEO? Okay, so guys, there have been a lot of answers. A lot of people have said so many things about SEO that I can't kind of differ from them, but definitely I can tell you something that they have missed. Okay, so guys, SEO is not a way to kind of just reach out to your audience or kind of impress Google or some other search engine. Okay, so guys, when I speak of SEO, I speak of SEO as a tool or as a means to actually kind of be displayed in front of the right audience, but in the right way, guys. Okay, so why do I say that is because, guys, so many people have said so many things about SEO, how SEO is the right tool to be used to kind of in ways to even fool Google. Okay, so guys, when that happens, believe me, then you are actually fooling yourself, because guys, if you're fooling Google, you will be displayed in front of a large number of audience who will have nothing to do with you, who will want nothing at all to do with your brand or to do with your product. So guys, what's the use? Okay, so guys, SEO is not just about trying to be impressive in front of Google or trying to be impressive in front of other search engines, but it's all about reaching to the right target audience to be notified when your audience is actually looking for you or they are actually trying to find you. Okay, and trying to explain to them why it matters so much to you to be able to serve them. That is what is SEO all about, guys. Okay, so it's about bringing value to the consumer or to your user, guys. It's not about being fancy, it's not about being being able to be displayed in front of them just because they're looking for you. It's not about anything else, it's about giving value, guys. Okay, so guys, why am I bringing this up is because people usually have that top to down approach. Okay, where they set it right for the SEO and then they are like thinking about the users, the consumers, what they want, how they want to look at it, what should be visible, what should not be visible. But guys, that approach actually kind of distorts your mind. It actually distorts your brand. It actually distorts your entire value proposition. Okay, so guys, usually what I love doing or what I like doing is the bottom to top approach, where for me the user comes first. What is it that they would like to see first will come first, after which I'll keep on building up based on the other activities or the other SEO kind of fundamental requirements. I'll build that up, guys. Okay, so for me, the user experience or the user kind of problems or the what would the user want to see when they land on my page is more important than trying to bring up some SEO fundamentals. Okay, once that is said, yes, of course, you can look into SEO fundamentals, try to be perfect with respect to title tags, meta tags and everything. Okay, or you can even add in alt tags for all images. That's all fine. Okay, but guys, if your value proposition is wrong, everything else that you do is just going to fall like a pack of cards or like dominoes. Okay, it will just give that ripple effect where it gives you nothing in the end. Okay, you might have a lot of people coming to your website, but how many are converting? Okay, so guys, one basic mistake with most guys most marketers are currently doing is trying to make it SEO optimized, whereas you are supposed to make it optimized for your user. Those are two separate things, guys, two separate lines. Okay, so guys, this is again thought process or flow of thoughts. Hope you liked it. If you did like, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. I will be back with more. Okay, have a great day, guys. Have fun.